Elementary level test. Quiz instructions. There are 25 grammar questions of A1 level. You'll have 5 seconds for each question. Don't forget to comment your score. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. Question 9. Question 10. Question 11. Question 12. Question 13. Question 14. Question 15. Question 16. Question 17. Question 18. Question 19. Question 20. Question 21. Question 22. Question 23. Question 24. Question 25. You did a great job. That's all for the elementary level test today. Don't forget to share your score in the comment. You can try other tests that are specially designed for beginner level here. Please subscribe to our channel for more English tests in the future. Bye for now.